Hi guys, Ben here at Colt Motorcycles. Here today we've got our 2018 Ducati Panigale 959 Corse. Really nice clean bike. It's got some lovely extras on it, like the Akrapovic titanium underslung exhaust. It's got an Evotech tail tidy, various other little bits, reservoir covers and caps. Got your bobbins. Really tidy example. It's done 16,400 miles, had a Desmo service done by Wayne at G-Tech Ducati last year, and it's only done a handful of miles since, so it wants for absolutely nothing. It's just good to go for the summer. I'll give a walk around, I'll try and point out any little defects, but it's, on the whole, it's really clean. There's a tiny little stone chip just there. The rest of the nose is really tidy. Fairings unmarked. Casings are all really nice and clean. Swing arm on this side unmarked, as is the wheel paint, really clean as well. Tank is perfect. Tiniest little marks from a boot going over. Again, fairing on this side is perfect, no marks at all. So 16,473. Gloomy in here. So yeah, there you have it. Really nice clean example, very well serviced. Just had a Desmo done. So yeah, good to go for the summer. Any questions, feel free to give us a shout. Thanks for watching.